running, number 7. Binigay kay Omar, non-anticipate ni coach. Off, backing violation.
Nakuha na!
Off. Nilabas ang bola. Omar. 7 minutes and 38 seconds. Omar, nagdadala ng bola. Ginabantayan ni coach. Coach, off, hindi niya maiwanan. Omar, maiwanan. Omar, Nanawi na iwanan. Omar, umikot, foul. Op!
Relax lang, relax lang. Minit kasi sila lang. Minit. Kabila muna, kabila. Captain ball muna, captain ball. Captain ball.
Hugot ka na nga lang eh.
Captain ball muna.
Hindi yung may tulo. Ingit na ulo nyo eh.
Captain ball muna, captain ball. Coach. Hoy, kanina pa yan. Ano?
Team captain. Pasok na po tayo dyan. Iniiwasan natin kasi yung magkainitan palalo tayo eh. Okay. Number 18 and number 1 out of the training court.
Nice.
Bola ng Asif. Sulat Python. Out of the playing court.